Well, looks like that same client that gave me the old S9 wants me to see if I can get these working. Each of them have an X on it, so that tells me that they basically find it that it's dead or unrepairable. They all have the same problem. I'm not sure what this little plastic clip is. I'll take that off. But it looks like there's some level of humidity or water. Something. These were in a storage unit. What they were doing before that, I don't know. But the X means doesn't work. And that was the same thing as the last one that I got. And I got it working as well. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the very, very bottom, we got a bunch of Bitmain power supplies. 5 total, not 6. And those power supplies look worse for wear as well. So long story short, I'm going to be tearing down every single one of these, along with the power supplies, cleaning them all up, getting them all squared away, and putting them back together, and then flashing the firmware on these control boards. Well, first to see if we could get it live with the stock firmware, and then maybe after that, we'll see what happens. But yeah, they look pretty ragged. Cases look pretty ragged, and definitely a lot of humidity or moisture that got on these. I'm not going to start off using the power supplies provided though. We're just going to use a known working power supply and just make sure that the ASIC is squared away, and then we'll test each power supply individually maybe later, because you know this can run on 110, 220, 240, just like I think the Bitmain power supplies can actually run on 110, 120. So I can't run all those machines at once. I don't have the power nor the thermal headroom to do so, but at least we could get this guy working, which we confirmed. This could be our sample set to compare against. Clean every single one of them up. At least we got fans on both sides of the ones in the boxes, where this one is one fan down. Hopefully each of them work. If not, as long as we can get one fan on each unit, that should help out. And then the client just needs to buy new fans and maybe new power supplies. So I got a lot of work to do, but I'm gonna do it over time. The client's in no rush, and neither am I. So time to take one of these in and get to work. Same thing I did in my previous video where I showed you the teardown process, my cleanup process with alcohol, a soft bristle brush, so on and so forth. Just trying to clean up everything, board connectors. I don't see any burnt 6 pins, which is good. The other one that we had inside had some burnt 6 pins. Ribbon cables look okay. Control boards look okay, but you know, looks are deceiving. So it's just a matter of knocking these out one by one. And I just wanted to give you a quick channel update, as the client brought me 5 more Bitmain Antminer S9s. So I will provide any relevant updates. Otherwise, go watch my previous videos where I revived an old S9. I'm gonna do the same steps here. And do me a favor on the way out, hit the like button. Make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out some of the links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here. And I will talk to you in the next one. Take care.